What's the meaning of contention? Contention. Contention.
Contention. Contention. The word contention refers to a state of disagreement or argument between individuals, groups, or organizations. When there is contention, there is often a dispute over a particular issue or topic, and opposing viewpoints may be presented forcefully. This can lead to tension and conflict between the parties involved. Resolving contention typically requires open communication, active listening, and a willingness to find common ground. Failure to resolve contention may result in ongoing conflicts that can be detrimental to relationships or even lead to legal action.